In last video we saw introduction for exercise 1.2. Now we are going to see exercise 1.2 first sum. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 7 and B equal to 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Which of the following are relation from A to B? They given first relation 1, relation 2, relation 3, relation 4. So they given 4 sums here. First we need to find A cross B. So after that, in the first relation they given, this set is present in A cross B or not, we should check it. So first we are going to write solution. What is the A element here? 1, 2, 3, 7. And then what is B element here? 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Now first you just solve A cross B. Already I said you should write it in the form of ordered pair. So first use first element 1. So open the flower bracket. So 1, 3 and 1, 0 and 1, minus 1 and 1, 7. So next element is 2. 2, 3, 2, 0 and 2, minus 1 and 2, 7. And then 3, 3, 3, 0, 3, minus 1, 3, 7. And next one is 7. 7, 3, 7, 0 and 7, minus 1, 7, 7. So that's all. This is A cross B. Now what is the first question they given? R1. So 2, 1 and 7, minus 1. We should see 2, 1 and 7, 1 is present in A cross B. Check it. In 2, 1 is here? No. So 2, minus 1 is here. So it is not same. So 7, 1 is here? No. It's not there. So these two elements are not belongs to A cross B. So what we should write here? R1 is not a relation. Is not a relation from A to B. Then next step is 2, 1, 7, 1 is not belongs to A cross B. That's all. And next sum, what they given here? R2. R2 is minus 1, 1 they given. Now you just check it in A cross B. Already we wrote, no? So A cross B. 1, minus 1 is there. Minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1 is here. No. So it is also not under A cross B. So R2 is not a relation from A to B. So minus 1, 1 is not belongs to A cross B. Then again third one, what they given? R3 equal to 2, minus 1, 7, 7 and 1, 3. So now we are going to check and these are present in A cross B or not. If it is present, it is relation. If it is not there, it is not a relation, right? So now you just check it. 2, minus 1 is there. 2, minus 1. Yes. 7, 7. 7, 7. Here you just check it. 7, 7. 1, 3. Yes, 1, 3 is here. Here also 1, 3. So it is a relation. So how we have to write R3 is a relation from A to B. So what is the given question here? 2, minus 1, 7, 7 and 1, 3. These sets belongs to A cross B. So next fourth question is what they given? R4 equal to 7, minus 1, 0, 3, 3, 3 and 0, 7. So now we should check it. These elements are present in A cross B or not. So here R4 is there. 7, minus 1. 7 minus 1. Yes, it is present. 0, 3. 0, 3 is not there. 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3 is here, and then 0 comma 7. 0 comma 7 is not there. If in this set any one element is not present in A cross B also, it is not a relation. So now both 0 comma 3 and 0 comma 7 is not present in A cross B. So we should write like this: R4 is not a relation, from A to B. Therefore, 7 comma minus 1, 0 comma 3, 3 comma 3 and 0 comma 7 is not belongs to A cross B. That's all. First sum over. We will see second sum in next video. Thank you.